Hi, it's Nelia and now I want to show you how to make arrows on the circle shape and drooping corners eyes. I decided to make a video like this because all people mainly shoot a video for those who have drooping eyelid. And a few years ago I thought it impossible to make arrows on the eyes like mine. And approximately a year ago I figured it out how to make it. But some tricks stolen from Chinese makeup. It's not be complicated. So first, we need a liquid eyeliner. Very important thing. You need to go forward the down line of the eye, bottom line, not the top. Because then the line will be goes down. And we need to it go up. So we need to go forward down line of the eye. I need to make it longer as much as I can because I have a big eyes. And the little arrow just get lost in the background of my big eyes. I think till the end of my arrows will be enough. And now we add in a layers to this line. It will be like this. You just need it more thick. Just arrows. This. Not just gradually align this line. Maybe now it's looking odd, but in the end it will be looking better. And now we need feel a mucus of the inner corner of the eye until the middle of the eye. I'll show you how. Will be enough. And now main trick, we need a mascara, because due to mascara it will be looks like you have some eyeliner on the moving eyelid, but you haven't. Put your mascara as close as you can to the mucus. It will look better. You must put a lot of mascara. And on the button eyelashes too. As you can see, our eyelashes looking long enough. Well, I think that's enough, and now you can see the difference between my eyes before and after. And now I'm gonna put makeup on the second eye. I love this type of arrows because eyelashes looking so long, because eyeliner didn't hide them. And now I wanna put a foundation just on the problem parts of the face. I don't want to use too much. Then highlighter, nose, chin, and cheeks. I like the shine on my face and the corner of the eye, but make it carefully. And now I want a red lipstick. Well, I think it's enough, and I hope that you find out something new today. Subscribe, like video if you like it, dislike if you don't like it. Bye!